Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Kano. Today's video is going to be an everyday makeup tutorial for beginners. If you're new to makeup, this video is perfect for you. I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy to follow routine that you can do every day to enhance your natural beauty. Step 1, Skincare. Before we start with makeup, let's prep our skin. Cleanse your face and apply your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin. You can also apply a primer to make your makeup last longer. Step 2, Foundation. Let's start with foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone and apply it all over your face using a beauty blender or a brush. Don't forget to blend it well around your hairline and jawline. Step 3, Concealer. Next, let's conceal any dark circles or blemishes using a concealer. Apply it under your eyes, on your nose, and on any spots or marks on your face. Blend it well using your fingers or a brush. Step 4, Powder. To set your foundation and concealer, apply a translucent powder all over your face using a fluffy brush. This will help to keep your makeup in place and prevent it from creasing. Step 5, Blush. Now let's add some color to your cheeks. Choose a blush shade that complements your skin tone and apply it on the apples of your cheeks using a blush brush. Step 6, Eyebrows. Next, let's work on your eyebrows. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any gaps and shape your eyebrows. Brush them out with a spoolie brush to make them look natural. Step 7, Eyeshadow. For a natural everyday look, choose a neutral eyeshadow shade and apply it on your eyelids using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Blend it well for a seamless finish. Step 8, Eyeliner and Mascara. Let's finish off the eyes with eyeliner and mascara. Apply a thin line of eyeliner on your upper lash line and apply mascara on your upper and lower lashes for a voluminous look. Step 9, Lipstick or lip gloss. Finally, add some color to your lips using a lipstick or lip gloss of your choice. And there you have it, an easy and simple everyday makeup tutorial for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.